Hello everybody. Hey, welcome to another part of coding yourself a Discord bot. So, I don't know if I mentioned well, if I don't know if I mentioned in the last video that to well, today's recording should be about how to handle commands. I don't know if I mentioned. Well, if I did, then I'm changing plans, and today we're learning on how to make our first slash command. So there are two ways to make a slash command. One is creating it in the client's application, and number two, creating it in a guild. So in a guild, will be only for the guild, and for application will be just globally, like through all the servers. So my plan was to make it globally, right? Well, on the application. So let's not waste any more time and let's just head into coding. So by how I'm gonna be doing it, this is an idea from my friend that I know. I'll probably link his YouTube channel down in the description. I know him, he's a nice person, and he made many more tutorials than me. So right, so I'm gonna be making a slash command handler right now. So slash cmd handler, we'll just call it for now like that. Make sure it is a JS file, and in there we're gonna set a function called create cmd. So inside this function, we're going to be making an array of our commands. So we're going to call this, well, just data. And then it's going to be equal to an array. Then inside the array, we're going to make an object. And then we're going to just set the name for it to be like ping. And description, pong. Or my bad, replies with pong. So right now we're just going to be making a simple ping pong command. Just for now, for like testing and, well, getting the basics done. So to actually create the command, we're going to need to get ourselves the client. So get the client, and then we're going to need to do client.application.commands.set, and then inside brackets you add data. So there you have it. You basically made a simple function that, well, creates a command. Now we just gotta export it, so we could access it on our main file. So to export it, we're gonna need to do module.export. Then we do equal to an object that's gonna be create cmd. Now back in the main, we're gonna need to require it. So require, I'm gonna require the handler, and we're actually gonna get the create cmd function or create command. So we just do this, then equal, and then voila. So we got the create cmd function from the slash command handler. Now what we do, we just, well, activate it or execute the function, and then just require our client. So now there you have it. You basically made it to, well, create the command. Now there is a thing also. There is an event in client.on interaction create. So what this is. So in the video, what I said right now is just complete tragedy within the interaction event, so I'm just gonna quickly round it to you. Made every single time an interaction is created, we're just gonna basically get the interaction and then we'll do what we want. So yeah. Then we do if interaction dot is command. We're gonna check if it isn't a command and if it is a if the one who's using it is a bot. So if it is a bot or it isn't a command, we just return. Boom. Now what we do is if interaction dot command name is equal to ping, then we just simply do interaction dot reply and we do pong. Now don't forget to save both of them. Back over here, do npm start. So now the bot's started. So you see, I forgot one of the most important steps. So you gotta go to Google and search up Discord Developer Portal and then go to the first link. Then go to applications and find your application. Go to OAuth 2, URL generator, select bot and applications.commands. This allows you to work with /commands. Then give yourself some permissions you want for your bot. I'm just going to give it administrator for now. In a new tab, once you copied the link, paste it, enter, and then, well, add it to your server. I'm gonna turn on Discord. I tested it a little bit with my other bot, but just for now ignore this. Now if we just type in /, we'll see our bot, our bot, and then we'll see /ping, the command. If we do it, well, it works. It replies with pong. So there you have it. You made yourself your first ever / command. So I hope you learned something. As always, more info is going to be in the description, and there's another link with a whole different tutorial. I'm going to also link that. If you prefer to use that tutorial, go ahead and use it. I'm going to use the way I always used it. So yeah, anyways, thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comments section, and yeah, bye bye everyone.